Hi you cool cats, Kadrian here, the sax habit coach, and welcome to the third lesson in our F major scale series. Okay, if it's your first time here, consider subscribing. Now, today we'll be learning to play intervals, but not just intervals. We are going to learn to play in intervals of a third. Now, what's an interval and what's the point of learning them? Well, firstly, an interval is the shortest or longest distance between any two notes on your instrument or in music, okay? And we usually measure the distance normally in semitones, aka half steps, and we assign names to the different distances. For example, rather than talking about notes being 7 semitones apart like F and the C above, we call that an interval of a perfect fifth. Some other interval types you might have heard of or will hear about are the minor second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, tritone or augmented fourth, or diminished fifth, perfect fifth, minor sixth, minor seventh, major seventh, and the octave. Now, don't worry about all these names for now. Just understand that they're simple words we use to refer to particular distances in pitch. So, from your F, for example, to your F sharp is an interval of a minor second, but F to G is the interval of a major second. So why bother practicing your intervals on your saxophone? Well, number one, you're able to judge pitch distances. This is especially useful when you are learning a melody by ear. All you need is the tune, your ears, and your horn. And if you can sing, great, that will help, okay? Now, at first, it will be quite clunky and difficult, but all changes are hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end, according to Sharma. Now, as you get faster and practice more consistently, the process will become easier over time. Number two, clearer hearing. Being able to judge pitch distances like this has a really exciting knock-on effect, you know. You will hear melodies and harmonies more clearly and be able to learn songs and tunes by ear faster because you are more acutely and aware of the gaps between notes. And so your brain begins to hear groups of notes with much greater sensitivity than in the past. And thirdly, it helps you to create music more freely and confidently. Now, the combination of practicing to play intervals has a powerful effect on who you are as a musician. In short, having strong interval recognition skills gives you the freedom and confidence that you may well otherwise lack. Your improved relative pitch will let you hear that you're correctly playing in tune. Additionally, interval sets the tone for your futuristic improvisational skills because licks, for example, are built on various types of intervals. So today we are learning to play in thirds. So we will go from our low F to our high side D on the saxophone. So the notes that we're going to play are F to A, G to B flat, A to C, B flat to D, C to E, then D to F, and we'll continue all the way up, repeating what I just did until we reach our side D. Then we will descend D to B flat, C to A, B flat to G, A to F, G to E, F down to D, E down to C, D down to B flat, and we will proceed in that order, going straight down to our low F. That's it for today, guys. Remember, push, play until something happens. Peace.